Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The most powerful tablets on the market right now, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Now the echo of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra rises. With its stunning display, robust performance, and impressive battery life, this tablet is designed for professionals, creatives, and anyone who demands the best. Let's kick things off with its 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. With a resolution of 1848 by 2960 pixels, the visuals are incredibly sharp and vibrant. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working on presentations, or editing photos, you'll appreciate the 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling and responsiveness. From binge-watching to high-octane gaming, the Tab S11 Ultra delivers an immersive viewing experience that's hard to beat. But it's not just about looks. The design is sleek and lightweight, making it portable enough to take anywhere. And with up to 1 TB of storage and 12 or 16 GB of RAM, there's plenty of power for multitasking and storing your favorite apps, games, and media. Choose between 256 GB, 512 GB, or a whopping 1 TB of storage to match your needs. And with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 5G, built on a 4nm architecture, performance is lightning fast. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or multitasking with several applications open, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra handles everything with ease. Now let's talk about photography and video. The Tab S11 Ultra features a 13MP, 8MP dual camera setup for stunning photos and 4K video recording. Plus, with 12MP front-facing cameras, video conferencing feels more lifelike than ever. Perfect for both personal and professional use. Capture every moment and enjoy crystal-clear video calls with your friends, family, or colleagues. Now onto the powerhouse, the battery. The 11,200 mAh battery ensures that you can stay productive or entertained for longer periods. And with 45W fast charging, you can quickly top up when you need to hustle. No more worrying about running out of juice during an important presentation or your favorite binge-watching session. Whether you're using it as a laptop replacement with a keyboard, drawing with the S Pen, or just enjoying some downtime, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra adapts to your lifestyle. So, with its stunning display, incredible performance, versatile camera setup, and long-lasting battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is truly in a league of its own. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative, this tablet is an excellent choice. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.